What is good, YouTube? Boys and girls, crypto family, crypto chemist army. Do I have a special video for you guys today? Well, we looked at the NWC token before. We looked at the news crypto platform before, but everybody always asks me, Chemist, show me the platform. Chemist, get into it. I want to see what these guys are doing. Chemist, let's jump deeper. Let's get in deeper of what these guys are doing. How is the platform looking? Do you have some beta products? Do you have what the intermediate level looks like? Hold on. I want to close these off first. I don't want you guys to see this yet. That's something we're going to get into next. But before we get into what's over here, the goodies that are over here, the intermediate, the advanced platform, we're going to look at the beginner. This is what you get with a beginner profile, with a beginner account. And then you decide to change your membership. Now, well outlined instructions when you want to get into the platform, when you want to participate in the platform, when you want to use different features. They have different guides and different graphics to showcase you exactly how it's done, so you do not go unassisted and jumping blind into any sort of platform. News Cryptos got all the news, as it says in the name, when it comes to crypto. Now, one thing that I really want to bring out that I have not seen, aside from the fact that they got the beginner, intermediate, and advanced tiers, a lot of platforms got different tiers, but not a lot of platforms have features that correlate between all these different tiers. Now, usually you get all the upgraded stuff when you get an upgraded account, but these guys are so good at what they're doing, and these guys are catering to the community so well, is that not only with the intermediate and advanced you get way more stuff and you get way more advanced and you can make way more investments, different types of investments, but you also get a lot of goodies in the beginner account. A lot of times you see the beginner accounts are super dry, no features, so you're literally forced to upgrade to another account to at least the next level to use the bare minimum. But the bare minimum is not the issue here. Actually, there is no issue here, because even the minimum account has very, very amazing features. Now, I'm going to get into the next level tiers to showcase to you guys how much crazier and how much more advanced the platform gets when you use the next level account and when you use the advanced account. For you professional traders, for you advanced guys, for you guys that are trying to make the most out of your trading experience, out of your Bitcoin and cryptocurrency experience, how to be able to utilize those next level tiers and really up your investment game. But before we get into it, look at this beautiful chart. You've got your charts, you've got your watch list, you've got a coin calendar. Now you can go through all this stuff. This is amazing, guys. Just look at how beautifully outlined this platform is. It's so easy. Look at when it was added, the coins, the proof, the source. Incredible stuff. Airdrops. Now, I've seen a lot of platforms over the past 2 years, guys. We've looked at so many different platforms on the channel. Do any of these platforms really have a all-in-one stop shop that you can actually look at everything in one place? Like, I've never seen this before, guys. We haven't even gotten into the intermediate and advanced level, and the beginner level already has more features than I've seen in some advanced level tiers on some other platforms. Portfolio. Of course, we see this on a lot of platforms. Do not have any transactions on the account, but look at this. Altcoin police. Crypto commits to the past 12 months. There you go. You've got all the different statistics on all the different coins. Check out the coins that you hold, guys, so that this applies to altcoins and not just Bitcoin. So if a project's development isn't actually active, then they may be over dead. And basically, you can check up on a coin's GitHub with altcoin police to confirm the activity of what is going on with that token. Guys, this is crazy. I have never seen a platform have an altcoin police like this, for you to be able to check the activity of a coin, of an altcoin that you've been following. Sometimes you're even holding a token thinking it's gonna go up, thinking something's gonna blast, something's gonna happen in the news, but no, you're not really watching what you're supposed to be watching. And these guys are about to tell you, as soon as one of these guys go ghost, as soon as the activity falls down on one of these accounts, you get the notification. Staking rewards. Of course, they've got a staking platform for you to be able to take part in. Again, that is based on your investment methods and whatever you guys are planning to do. Again, no one is a financial advisor here. Everyone makes their own decisions in cryptocurrency. So this is pretty cool, guys. Performance, look at this. The performance of BTC down 10%, close to 10%. Ethereum over 12% drop in the price. So the market has been, and this is cool, guys. Look at this. I'm not clicking anything. I'm not pressing. I'm just scrolling on my mouse. So I'm scrolling on the bar, but look, I'm standing on this area right here. My mouse is right here, and I'm scrolling, and you scroll directly to it. I go on Atom, it directly goes to that. Now, what happens if we click on one? What happens if we click on one of these? There you go. You go right to the price. You've got it. It's like CMC all over again. You've got the website. This is gotta be one of the cleanest platforms I have ever looked at. I can't stress this enough. I mean, I've looked at a lot of platforms, you guys, and this looks insane. Now, say you're in this Ethereum tokens. Not only do they have it there for you, but look at this. They've got the blockchains categorized for you. What more do you need to see? Ethereum tokens, ERC20 tokens. I'm just scrolling towards it, by the way, you guys. I'm not clicking on anything. I'm just scrolling, and it's going straight to it. I want to look at Smart Mesh. I look at Smart Mesh. So fast, so smooth. Exchanges, showing the different exchanges, the different volumes. Oh my goodness. All right. This platform is going to be one of those platforms that I'm going to be using a lot. I'll tell you guys that right now. This is incredible. And we have not even gone into the intermediate section, you guys. You have to realize this is all on the beginner account. Bitcoin stock flow. Look at these beautiful charts. The difference model prices, the stock flows, following every single one, color coordinated for you to be able to see every single thing, all the movements, cycle, repeat, BTC days. And oh my goodness, this is crazy. Now this tool actually shows you guys how many days went by since Bitcoin all-time high price was there. Now the dots can actually on the chart tell you, and these are all little dots, guys. This is not a line. And if you actually zoom up on this, guys, you will see that these are all little dots showcasing different days. Incredible, crazy platform. News, of course, Reddit, adoption, whatever you guys want, all in one place. And every single section right here, say you're a beginner, guys, you come on here, you click on Bitcoin stock flow. What am I looking at here? It looks wonderful and all, it looks beautiful, but I'm a new beginner, I'm a new trader, I don't know what the hell I'm looking at. Well, there you go, short little sweet description, because we don't want to read books here. We're in cryptocurrency. We don't want to sit here and read hours and hours of decks and books and stuff. No, we want a one-step quick way to figure out what is what and be able to utilize it. The stock flow system is a number that shows you how many years at the current production rate are required to achieve the current stock. That's it. That's all you need to know. If you want more information, you look into more information. But incredible way to have this platform put together. But I really want to show you guys this feature. I left this feature for the last thing to talk about in the beginner section, because of the whole point that it's something that I have not seen done a lot before, and it's this predefined charts button right here. Predefined charts. Boom. What the hell is this? Well, guys, this is what you call a predefined chart. This is what you call technology. This is what you call 2020, crypto 2020. This is what you call vision. Do you get predefined charts when you're in some other platform and you're in the beginner stage of the platform? You have the low level account, you have the tier 1 account, you know, you haven't really utilized their account that much, you haven't put up too much investments, you haven't bought their membership. Do you get this? It's got historical support, and it's got resistance lines, and it's got all the different cool indicators that all the expert traders today are using that we don't know nothing about. So if you want to really learn, check this platform out. Links in the description below. But what this means is that they took their time, guys. They took the time to actually sit down, draw all the support and resistance lines for us. Now, you don't have to waste time looking at the all-time charts. Draw these lines. Some of the people also have actually enough knowledge to draw them for you, where you don't actually have to do any of this stuff. And they're showing you this information free on the free beginner account. You are getting predefined charts. Incredible stuff. Let's jump into intermediate. And the first thing that you look at, so here you actually have hash rate versus price. It's coming soon. Platform is still under work, still early stages in the platform, so definitely new things coming soon. Look at this though. Intermediate, arbitrage. We have it enabled. We don't just have an intermediate account, boys. We got an advanced account. Now we got arbitrage in this. They got a tool, one of the best tools that can actually help us profit by analyzing the currency exchange rates and the differences in the different exchange markets. Look at this. 49.24% opportunity to buy on Yobit and sell on Bittrex, making huge gains on arbitrage right there. You can connect exchanges, so you can actually show exchanges, different exchanges. Binance, what are the opportunities for me on Binance? I may be the guy that's only got Binance accounts, or only got a Binance account and a Yobit account, and I don't want to go make a KuCoin, I don't want to go make a Poloniex. I look at all the opportunities there for me. Now you can look at all exchanges and all pairs and have the most possibility for gains. As you guys can see, 40.9%, 48%, 47%. Guys, if you were trading with a lot of cash and a lot of capital, it's insane how much gains could actually be made on this. And this is live updated down to the minute. So these things are actually going to continuously change as you refresh. So beautiful platform, beautiful opportunity. They've got sentiment unlocked as part of the intermediate platform. Again, technical analysis, 5 minutes. And this is cool, guys, because the 1 minute's telling you to sell, 5 minutes telling you to buy. What's the 15 minute telling us? 7 are telling us sell, 12 are telling us buy. Now these are professional technical analysis for top cryptocurrencies to evaluate the investments and identify trading opportunities. This isn't coming from some old platform that people are telling you buy. Price is going down, buy. Strongly buy for Ethereum. 15 minutes strong. 1 hour. It's a buy. We don't know what's gonna happen in 4 hours. The market's crazy. So very, very cool. They've got the Bitcoin stock to flow multiple. Beautiful platform. Again, if you guys don't know what these things do, I'm not going to go through every single one and explain every single one, because I'm going to be utilizing the ones that I think are going to best fit my trading style and best fit my investment style. Gold versus BTC. Chart showcasing you the comparison between the price at the end of the day and the 365 stock flow. Now the chart suggests that there is a connection between these two, and it's best to keep an eye on them, as it can actually predict the future of price, the BTC price. Look at how crazy this correlation actually looks. Insane. And then you got the golden ratio multiplier, which actually demonstrates that Bitcoin's adoption is not only following a broad growth curve, but appears to be following established mathematical structures, and it can only also accurately and consistently highlight intra-cycle highs and lows for Bitcoin prices. Also, it picks out every market cycle top in Bitcoin's history and forecasts it at the time when Bitcoin will top out in the coming market cycle. Insane. From 2011 to 2012, 2013, 2014, all the 20s are all there. So insanity on another level when it comes to this platform. Now, this is crazy. What are we looking at here? What's a whale alert? What's this platform? What is this magic I've never seen before? Are you ready? Are you ready to look at the advanced tab? I'm ready. Now the tool is an instant notification of so-called whale moves, guys. What's a whale move? It informs you when big amounts of money is being entered or exited from one currency into another. In the top right corner, guys, you can see you can choose an exchange where you actually want to see the movements. Let's say BitMEX. And then you can basically simply set which asset you want to monitor. So we can say, I'm going to do this all here. Let's change this up. They say BitMEX here. We're going to put BitMEX. And then they're looking at XBT USD. Sure. We can put different pairs, but we'll keep it as that. And then you can click add feed. We got 100 here. We'll click add feed. A new column will be added. So as you guys can see right here, boom, we just added that. And now you can basically observe big sell and buy amounts. So when smart money moves, you can almost blindly follow that. And the fact is that the market will move in that direction. But be aware, don't set your threshold alarms too low. Because if you're setting it too low and the market moves a little bit, you start getting alerts for something that doesn't make sense. But when you're looking at real transfers, when looking at the big boys, 1.9 million. 1.9 million in BTC transferred from OKEX to unknown. This is interesting. This is very interesting. But you click that and you can see the wallet addresses. You can see the transactions on the blockchain. Crazy, crazy. It shows you the transactions on the blockchain. Knowledgeable, this platform. So smart. It's a smart platform. You got smartphones and now you got smart platforms. It's the new thing. Best platform ever? Best platform of 2020? I don't know. But the chart shows you actual deposit and withdrawals of real money and fiat currency at all major fiat gateways. It is showing you how much actual real money has been paid to the fiat gateways and is coming to the market, and how much actual real money has actually been withdrawn from the whole market. So when you're looking at this tool, you can actually basically set the desired time frame and monitor deposits and withdrawals for any day that you want, guys. Now, if there's any big significant inflow of money, it can mean two things, only two things. One is that the price will rise because of a fresh inflow into the market, or two, the price will retrace because the flow has ended. Which one are you going to choose? Which way are you going to go? Well, it's up to you to observe and take advantage of the situation that is taking place once you're getting these notifications about the inflows. And they advise you to consider that this very powerful tool with other indicators that they offer is going to give you that extra boost for you to be able to get over those investment goals that you always wanted. And in the end, you will blindly see the moves of the price before it happens. So you guys, traders, professionals, non-professionals, do you want to see the future? Is basically that question. Correlation. An indicator platform that shows the biggest price difference between Bitcoin and other major coins, and it can be used to monitor the movement and analyzing of the market. And in today's rise of altcoins, having an up-to-date information on the correlation between Bitcoin and Ethereum and altcoins and all these other different coins, it is essential for your overall trader success, investment success. Because all these different informations, guys, you might not think, I might not need all these bells and whistles. I might not need the cycle repeat. I might not need the gold versus BTC. But how do you know if you're going to need it if you've never had it? Because once you start being given all these different tools that's going to help your overall success in the market, do you ever want to crave a burger, a delicious burger, or something that's so desirable if you've never had it in your life before? No, because you don't know what it feels like. You don't know how it tastes. You don't know how it's going to benefit your lifestyle. You don't know that. The unknown, you're never going to desire for it or crave it. Maybe you may desire something because you've seen it before, but if you've never seen it, you've never used it. We see things all the time in day-to-day life that we desire because we've seen it. We've seen other people use it. We've seen it on other people's cars, houses, all this different stuff that we desire. But stuff that are unknown, that maybe someone else is using and you don't know about, how could you want it if you've never used it? So they've given you, point I'm getting to is that they've given you all these options. They've given you all these features. They've given you all these tools that you can decide to use or not use. It's up to you, but it's all there for you in one place in case you do end up needing it one day, which is incredible. Mayer bands, a way to gauge the current price of Bitcoin against this long-range historical price movements. So the Mayer multiplier highlights will actually happen when Bitcoin is overbought or oversold. And guys, some of the stuff that I see here, I've never even known in crypto. Just because I'm not I'm not no expert. I'm not no expert by any chance. I'm not no advisor. I'm not no professional trader. I just know what I know. I know what I read. I know what I see. And a lot of stuff on this I have not seen or engaged with as much as I should have before. So now that I'm looking at all these different tools, all these different indicators, all these different bands that I can actually utilize towards my technique, perfect my methods, increase my income, increase my capital in the market, why the hell not? It's a great tool to help you spot bullish and bearish trends. Isn't that what everyone wants? Isn't that what the whole point of trading is? To figure out when the market's bull, when the market's bear, buy low, sell high. Isn't that what we've always been taught? Buy low, sell high. Well, then you can separate these two time frames by colors, and you can see the chart right here. So all these different times that we're seeing the overbuy, we're seeing bullish extensions, we're seeing bullishness, we're seeing bearish, we're seeing prices, and then we're seeing the oversold amounts of BTC. But historical data in the platform shows that this is following the trend. Look at this. Look at the actual price. Hold on a second. Look at the actual price and look at the movement of the Mayor Band's platform. Crazy things we're seeing here. And the beam indicator, of course, boom, showcasing you, helping you identify promising times during a cycle for buying and selling Bitcoin and other currencies. And roughly speaking, guys, the beam divides the price of Bitcoin at any given moment. Look at the beams: short zone, long zone, short zone, long zone. You're in the short zone, it's probably short. You're in the long zone, it's probably long. No one's telling you what to do. No one's giving you advice. It's just out there, and it's showcasing when we were up in the short zone, coming right back down as soon as it touched the short zone. So crazy platform. That's all I have to say. I've talked for long enough about the goodies that this platform actually brings, the lifestyle of a trader. And before we finish this video off, guys, check out the token. It is out there. It is on the market. The News Crypto token, it's been out in the market, of course, down in the past 24 hours. But what token isn't? What coin isn't? As you guys can see, there's been some stuff happening in the market, and you guys are aware. You guys probably watch the world news, and you know exactly what's happening that's pushing these prices down so hard. But everything, the market is looking bloody. It is a bloodbath in the market right now. So cannot blame these guys, holding a pretty stable price in this bear market. So very impressed by that. Market pairs adjusted by volume. Boom, KuCoin, Big One, KuCoin, hit BTC, Probit, all over the place. Some of the biggest exchanges out there with some huge amounts of volume. So again, let's turn on these predefined indicators just so I can have it on the background as such a beautiful screenshot. Again, all the stuff's out there for you, especially in this platform. Again, if you do want to check out the different memberships, because I try to do as best job possible to showcase to you guys every single thing that these guys have out there right now, especially when it comes to the different sorts of accounts, the beginner, the intermediate, and the advanced, and the differences between all the ones and the different things that they do. So if you're asking me, the advanced account's obviously the one to go for, because you get so much more for not that much more of a payment. But the intermediate account, for the guys that are, you know, trading regularly, trying to make some bigger profits, the intermediate account, I can see why it would be a good decision, just because of that arbitrage system. The arbitrage platform is untouchable. I love it. I'm going to be utilizing arbitrage a lot. I do like making arbitrage money in the crypto market. It's fun, and it's in my opinion one of the safest ways of, you know, getting started in the market, in my opinion. And then you got the advanced tab, where you got some beautiful features to utilize on top of everything else that you have. So if you guys enjoyed this video, I hope it was informative. A lot of people are always commenting, we want some informative content for you to showcase the platform, get into it. You say it's a good platform to trade on, showcase it to me why it's good, show me all the features. Well, here it is, all in one place, newscrypto.io. Shout out to the guys, man. crazy platform. I'm so excited about all the things that are going to be coming my way utilizing this platform going forward into 2020. Q1, Q2, Q3 is going to be a fun time of the trading market lifestyle for me. So shout out to the whole Crypto Chemist Army, the graduate family, for getting into another video. Smash the thumbs up button if you guys want to share this video with people that actually are explaining the platform in detail and showcasing you all the different features. Make sure you share the video with your friends. Smash the like button on the video again. Subscribe if you're not, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. I'm out for now. Peace.